You are in for a treat, my friend, because this recipe for slow cooker orange chicken is without a doubt the best slow cooker recipe I've filmed on this channel to date. In fact, I'll say it's the best recipe that I've made in the slow cooker in years. In fact, it probably makes my top 3 slow cooker recipes of all time.
Hi, I'm nutritionist Scott Bapty and welcome to my high protein kitchen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a belter of an orange chicken recipe cooked in the slow cooker. The chicken is beautifully juicy, the sauce is rich, sweet and tastes much unhealthier and higher in calories than it actually is. Right, get your slow cooker, this is how you cook orange chicken.
So to start off, you're going to mix some orange juice, it can have the bits or no bits, doesn't really matter, along with some chicken stock, some soy sauce, and 10 grams of garlic and ginger, along with 50 grams of honey for a delicious sweetness, some chili flakes for a tiny bit of spice, and some corn flour to help thicken things. Then you're going to add a few grinds of fresh black pepper before mixing the whole thing together. An important thing to do is to like this video. It really does help me out with the channel. Then you're going to tip a kilo of chicken breast into the slow cooker. Make sure you've removed any visible fat and then pour in the mixture and mix it all through before putting the lid on it and cooking on low for about 4 hours. After 4 hours, remove the lid and you'll notice I've actually put in a few slices of orange. I forgot to film them, but pop them in, it just makes it look nicer. And then serve up, and that is all there is to it. Super easy to do, and garnish with some sesame seeds and some spring onion.
Right, I am itching to try this because it smells so good. And lots of you guys have been in touch to say it's actually one of your favorite recipes from my recipe books. And I've not cooked this in years, so I really want to give it a go. Oh yeah. Wow, that is so good. That is honestly probably one of the best things that has come out of my slow cooker in a long time. I don't know why I haven't made this recently. Absolutely delicious. If you have not made it, I strongly recommend you give it a go. It's sweet, it's spicy, it's savoury. It's like something from the takeaway but without all the grease. I'm going to go and eat the rest of it. But before you go, it'd be great if you could hit that like button. It really helps me out with the growth of the channel and it means you're more likely to see these videos in the future. Leave a comment and let me know how you find this recipe because you have to cook it. I really want to know how you found it. And if you're a new viewer, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future high protein recipe videos. Thanks again for watching. I'll speak to you soon. I just want to eat this sauce, honestly, it's so good.